Hello everyone. Greetings from Van for Services. I'm Daisel Hadia and today I'm excited to present Recruiting Atelier, an experimental agentic recruitment studio designed to demonstrate how collaborative AI agents can transform modern hiring workflows. Recruitment today is overloaded with repetitive screening, disconnected tools, manual coordination, and slow decision making. Recruiting Atelier explores a different approach. Instead of relying on a single AI assistant, the platform introduced multiple specialized AI agent team which will be working together like a real recruitment team, from resume screening and candidate evaluation to shortlisting and communication. Every step is coordinated through structured AI orchestration. The goal is not just automation, the goal is transparency, modularity, observability, and human guided AI collaboration. The platform have been divided between five different chapters: understand the loop, choose the voice, furnish the library, watch the work, and inspect the tools. So let's get started with our first chapter, understand the loop. This chapter focuses on understanding the orchestration loop behind the recruitment workflow. At the center of the system is Mira, the supervisor agent. Mira acts like an AI recruitment manager, coordinating the complete hiring workflow from start to finish. Supporting Mira are five specialized recruitment agents. Kavya, the vetter, validates resumes and detects duplicate candidates before processing begins. Anaya, the screener, reads resumes and extracts structured candidate information such as skills, education, and experience. Dia, the scorer, evaluates candidates using weighted recruitment criteria and generates suitability score. Tara, the shortlister, ranks applicants and prepares the final shortlist. And finally, Ria, the notifier, manages recruiter communication and workflow notification. Together, this agent function like a coordinated digital recruitment department. The workflow begins with three core input: the job description, candidate resumes, and AI provider configuration. These inputs are routed into Mira, who prepares the execution strategy and delegates tasks across the specialist agents. The first step focuses on duplicate validation. Kavya ensures candidates are not processed multiple times. Once validation is complete, Anaya begins screening resumes and extracting structured information. Dia then evaluates candidate quality using configurable scoring logic. Tara analyzes ranking and prepares the final shortlisted based on candidate suitability. And finally, RIA manages the notification and workflow completion actions. Throughout the process, Mira continuously supervises every stage, monitors output, and coordinates the orchestration flow. At the bottom of the workflow, the platform also connects with supporting system, including the tool registry, the knowledge base, AI model providers, and MCP integrations. Together, this creates a modular multi-agent recruitment architecture where every AI action remains structured, observable, and explainable. Now let's move to our chapter 2. Choose the voice. This chapter focuses on configuring the intelligence layer behind recruiting at layer. This is where the platform connects with different AI provider and language models that power the recruitment workflow. Of depending on a single AI provider, Recruiting Atelier is designed on to remain flexible and provider independent. The active provider The active provider become the voice of the recruitment agents. Whether resumes are being screened, candidates are being scoped, or notifications are being generated, every AI interaction flows through the selected model configured. The platform also supports configurable recruitment intelligence. Hiring team can adjust scoring weights across dimensions such as skill, experience, education, and communication. This ensures candidate evaluation aligns with the organization's priorities. In addition, the workflow pacing can also be customized. Teams can run the system in fast autonomous mode, balanced showcase mode, or slower walkthrough mode for demonstrations and presentation. Together, these controls make Recruiting Atelier adaptable, configurable, and ready for different operational environments. Now, let's talk about Chapter 3, Furnish the Library. This chapter focusing on knowledge layer of recruiting atelier. Before the recruitment workflow begins, the platform needs hiring context and organizational intelligence. This is where recruiter upload the job descriptions, interview frameworks, hiring policies, evaluation guidelines, and supporting recruitment documents. The knowledge base acts as a shared memory of the entire AI recruitment system. The platform supports simple drag and drop uploads for multiple documents formats, including PDF, text files, and Word documents. Once uploaded, the files are processed, chunked, and embedded into active recruitment session. This allows every AI agent to access the same contextual hiring information throughout the workflow. Instead of generating generic response, the agents now understand the actual requirement of the role, the hiring expectations, and the recruitment criteria defined by the organization. The knowledge layer becomes the foundation that powers intelligent recruitment orchestration across the entire platform. Now let's move for chapter 4. Watch the work. Chapter 4 focuses on the live recruitment workflow inside Recruiting Atelier. Once the knowledge base and AI configuration are ready, recruiters can upload one or multiple resumes into the platform. As soon as the resumes are submitted, the orchestration pipeline begins automatically. Mira, the supervisor agent, coordinates the entire workflow and delegates tasks across the specialized agents. Kavya validates duplicate candidates. Anaya screens resume and extracts structured information. Dia evaluates and scores the candidates. Tara prepares the shortlist, and Ria manages notification and communication. Throughout the process, every action remains structured, observable, and transparent. This creates a collaborative AI recruitment workflow where multiple agents work together like a real hiring team. Now let's move to our final chapter, Inspect the Tools. This chapter focuses on the tool registry, the execution layer behind every AI action inside Recruiting Atelier. Instead of allowing unrestricted AI behavior, the platform uses structured tools that define exactly what each agent can access and execute. Every tool contains four important parts: name, description, input schema, and required validation rules. This allows the AI agents to interact with the system in a safe, structured, and predictable way. The registry includes tools for resume parsing, scheduled interview, candidate scoring, ATS queries, calendar booking, and email notification. The architecture also separates AI reasoning from execution logic. The AI decides what action should happen while the backend tools perform the actual operation. This creates a modular enterprise ready system where the workflow remains transparent, observable, and extensible. Together, the tool registry become the operational foundation that powers the entire multi-agent recruitment workflow. And together, this all five important chapter provides a multi-AI agent platform that is Recruiting Atelier. Now let's assume after the notifications and email is ready, what if we can auto schedule the email which can send to the candidates and which can also take the necessary follow based on the recruitment process? You must be wondering, this will make the recruitment process very, very easy and smooth. So let's connect for more such videos. And up to then, goodbye.